How you feel? Good? Come on, be bubblegum here, eh? One. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm deking. I want Coase out of here, though. Come on, leave, Coase, leave. Yeah! Yeah, watch. No, his blocker's on the other side. Okay, 5-0. Ah!
You're like a whole new man or what?
Whole new person, whole new skater. Why? New blades?
Yeah.
I don't know. He sharpens them a certain way for me. I don't know if he'll do that for you, though. You gotta pay him to do it, though. It's tough. They were eyeing me up. You know it. Let's be good here, eh, boys? Come on here, 1-3. Are you kidding? We're the best. That my Sky! It's as easy as that, boys. Hey, let's keep going. Oh, here we go, boys. So what's that? A goal every 13 seconds will be what? 30? Ice. We can't change. Hey, change. White Cal. Sorry, I bobbled this one here.
Good job, guys.
Thanks, Jared. You're so positive all the time.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, we better start more often because of that.
Yeah, I think we should. It was all in the starting deep
You had
end.
a good, like,
It was a good dump.
well, yeah, you were like waiting and
I was scared. I thought he was going to post it.
good.
Way off feet. Come on, Ward. Yeah, come. Boy, Scotty. Atta boy, Scotty. Come on here, Barthe. Come on. I thought if we do just D to D keeps it going. Like the guys are right there, but I know you can just bump right by him. I know you. How about Coase? Sorry about that one. That one was me, dude. I wasn't sure if I could stand right beside him and stare at him, and I don't know, it was just bang bang. The bump is there in the middle. I was jumping the gun on the one you bumped it through.
I tried to go for bars, man.
I know, but like, I'm like coming through too, like, so I mean, when it goes up to you, you can look short side D, net front D, because I'm there, all right? We need a good breakout here, eh? Right there, feet. You slide right on him a little bit. Slide right a little bit. Hey, good block. Sorry about that. Gap up. My gap was so bad when I got that puck.